Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It's still Benny of Benny's kitchen. How is everyone doing? Hope you guys are doing so great. So today we are going to the eastern part of Nigeria to bring you this special delicacy, Ofe Nsala. If you are from the eastern part of Nigeria, you know the importance of Ofe Nsala. You can use catfish, you can use any fish of your choice, you can use beef, you can use goat's meat, you can even use old layer chicken. But today I'll be using this goat meat for this our Ofe Nsala. On the table I have my goat meat is already washed. I have my stockfish fillet, then UTAZI. UTAZI is bitter if you don't know, so when you're using it, use it sparingly. Then I have my dried catfish here, crayfish, then Eden is a spice for cooking. Then you have your OGIRI, you can use OGIRI or any of the OGIRIs. Then you have the bouillon cube, then salt, these are seeds. Then I have the chopped onions to boil the meat. Then I have my peppers there. Then I also have this yam. This yam will be boiled and pounded and used for thickener. Guys, let's do this together. So guys, we'll first of all boil the meat. Then I'll do that preparation before we start. So in my pot, I'm adding the goat's meat. I'm adding 1 bouillon cube. Then I'll be adding this pepper for flavor. Then my chopped onions. Then I'll be adding some salt. I'll be adding the stockfish fillet because it's a bit hard, so it will cook with the goat meat. I'll allow the goat meat to cook with its own juice first before I add the water we are going to use to be cooking this our special Ofe Nsala. The heat is on now, so I'll cover the pot, let it start boiling with its own juice before I add some water. So guys, while the meat is cooking, I'll prepare the yam because I'll be adding it to the pot so it can boil, or you can boil it separately if you don't want to add it to the meat. So you just peel and cut in little chunks so it's easy to cook fast. After cutting, you add it into the water so it doesn't discolor. So you can see the meat has been boiling with its own juice, so I'll add some water. This water will be the water I'll use to cook this soup. So now I'll add the chunk of yam so it can boil in here. When it is cooked, I'll take them out. I'll pound to use as thickener. So I'll cover the pot now, then go and pound my crayfish. So I'm using my small mortar to pound. You can use your blender. So I'm adding the UZIZA seed, then the OGIRI. I'll add them gradually. I'm done with the pepper and crayfish, so I'll now slice the UTAZI leaves. Mind you, UTAZI is not OKPIE, it's not UZIZA. When you get to the market, tell them you want UTAZI. You can chew it to know if it's bitter because the leaf is actually bitter. So just cut things like this and add it sparingly to your Ofe Nsala. Back in the days, you know, Igbo men, they used to marry more than one wife. So if you want favor from your husband and if you want to have your turn that night, you just rush and prepare Ofe Nsala for your husband with a good hot bowl of pounded yam, and you'll be so loved that night. Or if you offend your husband and you want him to be happy with you, this is the soup women normally prepares back in the days. I'm done now while I wait for the meat to cook. Then take out the yam. You know it's cooked when the skewer passes through easily. You can see what we have here. So just add it to the mortar. Then I'll pound until smooth and stretchy. Ofe Nsala is the most is the easiest soup to cook because you don't add oil or all those mede in it. So it is so easy when you prep all your ingredients. So at this junction now, I'll be adding the dry fish, then the pounded crayfish, pepper, and OGIRI with the UZIZA seed. Then I'll be adding 1 bouillon cube, then the UYAYA. I will now cover for it to keep cooking while I pound the yam for the thickener. So guys, we are going to pound this like this until it is so smooth and stretchy. You have some seed when you are pounding. I don't want to have lumps of seed in your pot of nsala soup. So guys, this is what we have now. Hi guys, see our Ofe Nsala. Oh, it is bubbling and bubbling and bubbling. Guys, if you are new here, please just click the subscribe button. And have been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing, keep commenting, and then give this video a thumbs up. I will really appreciate. So now I'll just take out this now take it out, and I'll add the pounded yam. But mind you, when you're adding this yam, don't add too much of it, because if you do, when the soup cools down, you just have pounded yam in goat's meat. So just add little of it, and when you come back and see that you've gotten the thickness you want, then you take it you take the remaining ones out. So I'll just add like this, cover the pot, and let it dissolve in the pot. So I'll cover the pot again. My people, see our Ofe Nsala. Ooh, all pounded yam is hungry me. Oh. So this is the thickness I want. I don't want it to be thicker than this, because if I leave it to cool, it will be thicker than this. So I'm going to take the remaining thickness out. I don't want to have pounded yam in goat's meat pot, so I have to take them out now. Now at this point, I'll just add in the UTAZI leaves sparingly. Like I said, sparingly, because I don't want to spoil my pot of soup. I'll add some salt, then I stir. I'll turn off the heat. Ready for correct pounded yam or aku, loi, anyone. It can go with farina, it can go with semolina, it can go with semovita, it can go with pounded yam. Let me test for salt. Our Ofe Nsala is yummy. Just add some more of that. You see how scared I am to add this UTAZI leaves, because it has done me one bad thing one time. I don't want it to repeat itself. Our Ofe Nsala is ready. The salt is okay, pepper is okay. I'll turn off the heat now, guys, and I will see you with my pounded yam in a jiffy.